I just made a dry fit of this cabinet. There's a small cabinet space on both sides. So this is coming in the middle of the hallway of the kitchen. This is the rear, so the rear doors are literally here. Here at the inside of the rear doors, got my threshold, and this starts over here. So I got about a foot or so in storage space, which I will be using. Then you get the kitchen cabinets here smaller. On this side, that side, the water tank is here, and the fridge and the other part. Oh, hello! The inspector is just in time. Come on, you're just in time. Well, tell me, everything okay? Yeah? Okay, can I go on? Thank you. And the other side is the front of the kitchen. So here I'm located in the van. This is for the floor. Got a small cabinet here, a small cabinet over there. And this will be the shower. The shower in a box. So that's done in there. And if I use it, I can pull it out. Just place it here on the floor, have a curtain go up. This is the bottom where the shower in a box slides on. What I did is made a white dado, about 1 1/4 inch wide in this case, and I laid in a piece of hardwood. I sawed a piece 1 1/4 inch wide and about 1/4 inch thick, and I laid it in that dado, slightly higher than the plywood itself, and this is where the drawer is going to slide upon. I'll explain it later. So what I do is I have to glue the second one in. So first some glue. I have to make 2 supports. I cut a few pieces of plywood to make a little box that goes at the bottom of one of the cabinets. Totally out of view, so very simple, without any complex dados. And I'll do some glue as well as some nails. So now we've got a little box at the bottom of a side cabinet. Okay, I finished this one. That looks good. Now I'll have to make another one for the other side. Okay, now that I've made these things, I'm gonna make a frame. And that way we got 3 identical lengths. That seems to be fine. Done the bed, the closet, and this side panel. And this side panel I'm going to use to locate the kitchen. So the kitchen will be attached to this side and then goes to the other side of the van. So what I started with was a frame that has come somewhere over here. Let's see. I got a small box that's where the toe kick is located here. And then I'll be right back. Then I have the center cabinet. It's all still loose, so we'll have a countertop here with a sink, a water heater, and these 2 side cupboards. Then a countertop on top of here, And then, as you can see, hopefully here, I lowered this a bit because in this area I will have my induction cooktop that I should be able to use here from below the countertop or take out and use outside. To be clear, I'll be having, that's the way I get some form into the cabinets with a rigid. But the last thing that was part of a design that I made some time ago, I have a shower in the drawer, and that has to go, that's not finished yet, but that'll go into the lower part of the cabinet. And then from the rear, you can see that it barely fits. That was planned. This area goes a little bit, about 5 to 6 inches or so sticks out. And that will be covered by an end plate. This is for the hose for the grey water, at least the water that comes out of the shower. I would be able to, when I pull that drawer out and take a shower, just leave the hose through the rear doors outside. But I'll make a connection to the grey water tank, so that's probably my primary use. Then I've got still some storage here, and I'll be using the entire area here still. Could use it to store a bike, could make some storage boxes, whatever. We'll see how that works out. This will be the access area for the batteries, so I'll be having some batteries here. And then in the future, when I want to take a shower, of course I'll fill up my bed first to get some space, but then I would be able to slide this out, let's say here, then I will be able to stand into it. At this point I would like to make a sliding shower head that comes out of the area above the cabinet, to have a shower head at this location, and the shower curtain around it, of course, so you will be able to take a shower. Of course, unfortunately, because of the height of the van, this is a medium roof van, when I stand on the floor, I can just barely stand up straight, and that's fine, that's really planned. Because of the shower pan, they'll raise it a couple of inches, so if I want to take a shower, I have to bend my neck a little bit to be able to do that. But it's an extra possibility. If you can go outside, which you can do in summer, especially in winter, you would be able to take a shower inside the van without losing a lot of space for a bathroom. And here you can see the space you would have. The bed will go up a little bit further. And you can see here where the cabinets will come on this side, so I can use it very likely up to here. So this is really my space, and that is for a van quite big. The only issue that I'm still unsure about is I plan to have cabinets that are about 18 inches deep to the front of the side wall, which is okay, but I'm still considering to have them up to here, say about 24 inches or 22 inches. and of course you lose about 4 to 6 inches in living space as well, which is very, very much. So if you have any thoughts about it, you out there, give a comment and we'll see what happens.
Hi guys, this is Joey and we're building a one-of-a-kind RV. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. If you enjoyed the video, give us a like and subscribe. Or better yet, leave a comment. Thanks guys. Done a good job.